Day 4 of the blackout. The food in your fridge is rotting, and people outside are getting desperate. That $500 smart security camera on your porch? Without Wi-Fi and grid power, it is just a useless piece of plastic. When the grid goes down, you cannot rely on apps to protect your family. You need physics. Long before motion sensors existed, guerrilla fighters and World War II soldiers slept soundly in the absolute worst conditions. They did not have electricity. They had a piece of string and a wooden peg. Welcome to Grid Zero. Today we are building the ultimate off-grid perimeter alarm. It costs exactly $3. It takes 5 minutes to build, and it will wake the dead if anyone or anything crosses your perimeter. Let's build the tripwire. You don't need an engineering degree for this. You need junk. Here is your supply list. 1 wooden clothespin, a standard 9-volt battery, a cheap pezzo buzzer from a hardware store, a small piece of scrap plastic like an old credit card, and some fishing line. That is it. If you cannot buy a buzzer, salvage one. Broken smoke detectors, old microwaves, or cheap children's toys all have them inside. In a grid-down collapse, your local trash dump becomes your hardware store. The concept is brilliantly simple. The clothespin is our switch. Step 1. Strip the wires from your battery and your buzzer. Wrap one wire around the top jaw of the clothespin and the other wire around the bottom jaw. If those jaws touch, the circuit closes, and the alarm screams. Step 2. The safety pin. Take that small piece of plastic and wedge it between the jaws of the clothespin. The circuit is broken. Absolute silence. This piece of plastic is your fuse. Step 3. Tie your fishing line directly to that plastic insert. Your system is armed. Simple physics. Someone pulls the line, the plastic flies out, the jaws snap shut. Boom. One pro tip before you deploy this outside. Wrap the battery and the clothespin in black electrical tape. This makes the system waterproof if it rains, and hides it from flashlights. The last thing you want is a piece of shiny metal giving away your position. Placement is everything. Do not just put it in the middle of your yard. Look for choke points, a narrow gate, a space between 2 vehicles, or the bottom step of your porch. Force the intruder to walk into your trap. And if your fishing line is too shiny, take a black marker and camouflage the string so it completely vanishes in the dark. When setting this up, mount the clothespin solid against a tree or a door frame. Run your fishing line tight, about 6 inches off the ground. Keep it invisible. When an intruder hits that line, this sound doesn't just wake you up. It causes immediate, blinding panic for whoever is sneaking around in the dark. In a blackout, security is not a luxury. It is the only thing that matters. For $9, you can build 3 of these. 1 for the front gate, 1 for the back door, and 1 for your supply cache. That is a layered defense. It buys you the most valuable asset in a survival scenario: time. Spend the $3. Build the alarm. Sleep safe. If you are secure but running out of clean water, click the video on your screen to learn the $5 clay pot filter secret. Stay hidden. Stay prepared. This is Grid Zero. Out.